Assalamu alaikum aspirants. Today we are covering lecture 18 of General Knowledge MCQs for MPT 2026, and these questions span geography, history, science, current affairs and sports. I have selected them to help you strengthen your general knowledge and improve your scores in competitive exams. Stay attentive, practice each question carefully and remember consistent effort is the key to success. सो लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, व्हाट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन पाकिस्तान? इंडस, झेलम, चनाब और रावी। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए में इंडस। द इंडस रिवर इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन पाकिस्तान, स्ट्रेचिंग ओवर 3180 किलोमीटर्स एंड इट फ्लोज थ्रू ऑल 4 प्रोविंसेस एंड इट इज़ अ वाइटल वाटर सोर्स फॉर द कंट्री। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि विच कंट्री हैज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन इन द वर्ल्ड? ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कैनेडा, इंडोनेशिया और रशिया। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी कैनेडा। कैनेडा हैज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन इन द वर्ल्ड, measuring over 243,000 kilometers, and its extensive coastline is due to its numerous islands and irregular coastal geography. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट बाय एरिया इज? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन सी है एंटार्कटिक। Antarctic desert is the largest desert by area, covering about 13.8 million square kilometers, and it is classified as a cold desert due to its extremely low precipitation. Next question है कि which continent is known as the land of the midnight? अफ्रीका, यूरोप, एशिया और एंटार्कटिक। तो इसका सही जवाब है हमारे पास ऑप्शन डी में। Antarctic is called the land of the midnight sun because it experiences 24-hour daylight during its summer months. So this phenomena occurs due to the Earth axis till near the poles. The next question है who is the founder of All India Muslim League? लियाकत अली खान, सर सैयद अहमद खान, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना या नवाब सलीमुल्लाह खान? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी में नवाब सलीमुल्लाह खान। नवाब सलीमुल्लाह खान was instrumental in founding the All India Muslim League in 1906 in Dhaka, and he played a key role in uniting Muslim leaders for political representation. Next question है who was the first female governor of a province in Pakistan? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है राना लियाकत अली खान। राना लियाकत अली खान was the first female governor of Sindh, appointed in 1973, and she was a prominent figure in Pakistan early political and social landscape. Next question, the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan was enforced on which date? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए में 14 अगस्त 1973. The 1973 Constitution of Pakistan was officially enforced on 14 August 1973, and it established Pakistan as a parliamentary democratic republic and remains in effect today. The next question, which Viceroy of India announced the partition of Bengal in 1905? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए लॉर्ड कर्जन। लॉर्ड कर्जन एज वाइसरॉय ऑफ इंडिया अनाउंस्ड द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल इन 1905, and this decision was controversial and later reversed due to widespread protest. Next question, what is the primary source of energy for earth climate system? Moon, sun, earth core or wind? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी sun. The sun is the primary source of energy for earth climate system, driving weather patterns and temperature changes. Its energy influences atmospheric and oceanic processes. Next question, which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D और vitamin K? तो इसका सही जवाब है हमारे पास ऑप्शन डी में vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting as it helps produce proteins needed for coagulation, and deficiency can lead to excessive bleeding or bruising. Next question, the human heart has how many chambers? 2, 3, 4 or 5? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी में 4. The human heart has 4 chambers, 2 arteria and 2 ventricles. This structure allows efficient separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Next question, what is the pH value of pure water? 5, 7, 9 or 11? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है 7. Pure water has a pH value of 7, indicating it is neutral, and this is because it has an equal concentration of hydrogen and hydroxide ions. Then who is the current president of Pakistan as of September 2025? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी में आसिफ अली जरदारी is the president of Pakistan as of September 2025, having taken office in March 2023. and he previously served as president from 2008 to 2013. Next question, the headquarters of the World Health Organization is located in New York, Geneva, Paris or London. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी में जिनेवा. द वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज हेडक्वार्टर्ड इन जिनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड, and this location serves as a hub for global health policy and coordination. Next question, which country hosted the G20 summit in 2024? ब्राज़ील, इंडिया, यूएसए और जापान. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए में ब्राज़ील. ब्राज़ील hosted the G20 summit in 2024 held in Rio de Janeiro. The summit focused on global economic and environmental challenges. Next question, which country is the current chair of ASEAN summit in 2025? Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia or Vietnam? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है मलेशिया. Malaysia is the chair of ASEAN Summit in 2025, leading regional cooperation efforts. The chairmanship rotates annually among ASEAN member states. Next question, in which sport is the term Grand Slam used? Cricket, tennis, football or golf? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है टेनिस. The term Grand Slam is used in tennis to describe winning all 4 major tournaments in a single year. And these tournaments are the Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon and US Open. Next question, the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2024 was awarded to? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है यून फसा. यून फसा, a Norwegian author, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2023, not 2024. But the question assumed continuity for 2024, and his work focused on minimalist and introspective themes. Next question, what is the national animal of Pakistan? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन सी है मारखोर. Markhor, a wild goat species, is Pakistan's national animal, symbolizing resilience and strength, and it is native to the mountainous regions of Pakistan. Last question है, the first artificial satellite launched by Pakistan was? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन सी है रहबर फास्ट. The Rahbar Fast was Pakistan's first artificial satellite, launched in 1962 with NASA assistance, and it marked the beginning of Pakistan's space program. So you have practiced important GK questions covering multiple topics that frequently appear in exams. Keep revising regularly and don't just memorize. Understand the concepts behind each question. Stay consistent with your preparation. You will see your confidence and scores grow. I will see you in the next lecture with more high quality MCQs to keep you ahead.